how are you? Some say to remove the fog light, you have to take it out from the back of the wheel liner. No, 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 no. Much easier than that. Check it out. Grab a screwdriver, and right away you want to put your screwdriver in between here. If you have space, you can do that, but I recommend you not to, because we will damage the paint somehow. So you can push a bit like this. Grab it with your finger. If you have a plastic tool, better. Like this. And now try to pull it, and there it is. As you can see, this tab over here goes on inside there of the bumper. This one clips, this one guides, these two are clipping. And now to replace your fog light or replace the bulb, take out that screw, that one, and that one. It comes out very easily. On the Alfa 156 is even easier because you have two screws, one here, one here. Take out those two top screws and it just peels off just like this. It only has one tab on the far side, and they painted over this bastards. And okay, push on. On the Alfa 156 you have 4 screws instead of 3, but it is exactly the same support. As you can see, the 4th hole over there, exactly the same. Take out the screw. Sorry about my giant head. The other screw and my giant hand. To purchase the fog lights, do not prefer the TIC or depot lights. They are very bad. This one is a Trust. It was a original one, but the Trust is not a good brand. So to remove the bulb, just twist off like this. Remove this one. Remove the tab, as I told you on the video about the light bulbs, and your light bulb. Easier than this? I don't know. To assemble it, just do it the other way around. Make sure the bulb is nice and fitted in there. The plug, the cover, okay, the electrical plug. Make sure the support has all the 3 screws, one on the bottom side, one here, one there. Again, this is the bolt to align the headlight, or the fog light in this case. Put the 3 screws in again. Not all the way. As you can understand, the position to record is not the same position to do the job. So it will be even faster and easier in your case. Let me do making a left approach. Upper one. The lower one. This one really deserves a fog light, at least on this side. To insert the trim, just make sure this part goes all the way to the bottom of the bumper, like this. And now, just, okay, track. Was it so hard? Nope. Is it hard to click on the like button? No. Is it hard to share? No. And to subscribe? Okay, I understand. I see you next time, guys. Bye.